Welcome back, everybody, to another fun gear review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Camping Cooking Utensil Set 16-piece on Amazon. Just comes in a plain box here. Let's get it out and see what we got. Yeah. Comes in this nice carry bag. And when you open this up, there's the zipper. Okay, the zipper's up here. Look at that. You've got a lot of stuff. And like I said, they said 16 pieces. Now I got this mainly to go with my large Coleman 2-burner propane stove. And I think this will fit in the pocket in there very nicely. List price on Amazon is $28.99. And dimensions. Okay. This is kind of a, you know what? We're not going to do dimensions. You see it's pretty large. We're not going to do that. We're going to do weight. 7.7 pounds or 3.5 kilograms. This is not lightweight. This would be for car camping or an RV, which is primarily why I got it. Let me get everything out of here and unwrapped out of the plastic so you can get a better look at it. As you can see, we have a lot of stuff in this kit. Alright, you got a little cutting board here, pretty nice sized. We got a cheese grater, a wine tool and bottle opener. Got a pretty nice knife here, and it is sharp. I checked it earlier and almost cut myself. That's a good sign. You got these spice shakers, which have a large opening, goes to a smaller opening, goes to a fine opening, and closed. Pretty decent capacity. Got two of those, which is nice. Got a pair of kitchen shears with a bottle opener on it. Got a few extendable fire type marshmallow burners, because you're going to burn those marshmallows in a campfire. You're not going to cook them. And over here we've got a pair of tongs, a ladle, whisk, spatula, fork, and a peeler. Now, as you can see, most of the stuff here is stainless steel. And it all fits right in this nice little bag, which is going to go, like I said, with my camp stove. And other than personal silverware, you pretty much got everything you need here, you know, for your camp. So that's pretty much why I picked it up. I didn't want to try to piece together a kit. I saw this one. There were several others out there on Amazon, but this is the one that I thought would be most useful for me. Has mostly what I want. But the only thing in here I don't care for is this corkscrew and stuff, and you know, I'm not a wine drinker, so about the only thing on here I would use would be the bottle opener. That's about the only useless thing here. Everything else is pretty useful to me. Alright, so that's the little 16-piece kit I got. If you're interested, links in the description. If not, oh well. Let's check the weight. See if this maxes out my scale or not. Nope. So everything in there with the case, 2 pounds and 11 ounces, or 1.233 kilograms. Not too bad at all. One more thing I wanted to point out, what I thought was really nice about this kit, is there is a little pocket on this side. You could stick whatever you desire in there if it'll fit. That's pretty nice. And I do kind of like this clamshell where it opens up and now you have everything you can pull out. Your cutting board, your knife, cheese grater, spatula, whatever. And then when you're done, clean off everything, put it back in here, zip it back up, and put it away. That is pretty nice. Well, that's all I got to say about this cookware set. If you're in the market for one, you're interested, you might want to take a look at this one. Like I said, there's a lot of others on Amazon you can check out. You know, it's up to you whether or not you need this in your life. All right? So, thank you for watching and have a great night. Kira, say good night. Thank you.